Hello, welcome back to another edition of the Chef Lifestyle Cooking Series. On today's episode, we are going to make one of Ghana's spiciest and most refreshing drinks, Emudro, made with ginger, or also known as spicy ginger drink. We are going to need the following ingredients: lemon or ekutu, ginger or akikejo. We are also going to need some dried peppers, also known as mekojane, grains of selim, also known as hwentia, and then cloves, also known as pepper. Some people go as far as adding a fomrisa and other kinds of spices. So here you are, all the ingredients you'll be using for our emudro drink. The first step is to cut your lemons into two. Don't forget to take out the seeds because you don't want the seeds in the drink. And then once you are done, squeeze all the juice into a cup and set aside. For this section, you can either use a citrus juicer or you can just do it manually, as you can see here. Make sure you squeeze and get everything out because you will need all the juice to make the drink very, very nice. So this is the juice I got from 2 lemons. We are going to start adding our ingredients one after the other. So I've added my ginger, washed properly. If you want, you can peel your ginger. Some people prefer it that way. I've washed it thoroughly. I don't want to peel it, so this is how I'm going for mine. Then I'm also adding my washed grains of selim or hwentia. I used 6 of it, 6 pieces. Next, I'm going to be adding my washed peppers. I like it very hot and spicy, so I used a lot of it. If you are using the bigger dried peppers, you should reduce it if you don't want it to be too spicy. But I used about 15 pieces of the smaller ones. Next, I added my cloves or pepper. I used about 10 pieces of it, properly washed. I added it to the blender. Next, I added my squeezed lemon juice. Because I did it manually, I wasn't able to get all the seeds out. So make sure that none of the seeds gets into the drink. You only want to use the juice. Then next, add your desired amount of water. If you want it to be very light, you can add a lot of water. Then blend everything together thoroughly. Make sure you're blending everything because sometimes some of the ingredients are very hard. So if you don't blend it well, it wouldn't be able to blend properly. Then here we have the end result. We are going to the next step. For the next step, we'll be sieving our mixture so that we can get our drink from the chaff. So I'm using a sieve. You can use a cheesecloth. You can use anything at all that you can use. You can see that some of the chaff is already in the sieve. So we want to be able to separate it so that we can have our drink and then we can throw away the chaff. If you feel like the chaff is a lot and there's still a lot of food, you can add more water and blend it for the second time and then sieve it to get your drink. Or at this point, you can add in more water to the chaff so that you drain it and add it to the drink. But be careful not to add too much water, else it's going to dilute the drink too much and you might not get the full flavor that you want. Once we are done with that, we should have our end result here and we're going to be adding our sweetener. So I added about 1/4 cup of sugar to sweeten it. It should be based on your preference. Please, if you do not like too much sugar or if you don't want sugar at all, don't add it. You can add honey and any other forms of sweetness that you have. So this is the end result. It looks so good. It looks so silky. And oh my god, it was super spicy. Please, if you do not like your spicy, do not follow my exact measurement and reduce the amount of things you're going to be putting in. Otherwise, you may not be able to enjoy it because you're going to burn. So here I'm serving mine with ice, and then it was so nutritious and refreshing. I really enjoyed it. and I entreat everybody to try it with me. Let me know in the comments if you are going to be trying it. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment, and let me know if you have any other recipes that you want me to make. Once you are done, you can store the rest in your refrigerator, and anytime you want to drink it, don't forget to shake it. You can see that it separates at some point, so shake it before you serve. Enjoy until another video. It's bye.